Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you how to log out from your WhatsApp web if you have logged in your WhatsApp from an iPhone. So what you gotta do is go to the settings area of your WhatsApp, right? And tap on link devices, the fourth option, which you can see on the screen. And the devices that are linked is visible on your screen like on mine, right? So you have to first see if this device is yours or not, and if you want to log it out, then what you're going to do is tap on that device and you will get the location also, and you can tap on log out directly. You As you tap on log out, it will ask you again if you want to cancel or log out. You tap on log out again and it will be logged out immediately, and it will not be visible anymore on your screen as it was in the options of link devices. See you in the next video. Tada!